Welcome to ExpoGenie. In this video, we'll be going over how to create and manage levels and tasks, and their relationship with each other. In ExpoGenie, a level is simply a profile, or type of user you want to create a separate group for. Tasks are what you need your users to complete in their portal, and you can create certain tasks specific to levels in as many forms and combinations as needed. Let's get started. From the left navigation of the admin, expand Tasks. There's one area for creating and managing all of your tasks, and another for creating and managing your levels. Bulk Download lets you select a particular task and download all submissions for that task in a zip folder on your computer. Let's start with levels. As I mentioned, a level is simply a group of users that have specific tasks assigned to that level. Depending on how you structure your attendees for your trade show will dictate what levels you might want to create. A common scenario is you have different packages, such as bronze, silver, gold, and so on, for example. If you don't have different packages, you might just create one level for exhibitors and one level for sponsors, for example. The point is, there is no right or best way to set up levels, it just depends on your show. Adding a new level is very simple. Just give it a name here, then click Create. If you have a level that is very similar to another one, you can save time by duplicating a level with this icon here. The pencil icon will edit the level name, and the X will delete the level. Be careful when deleting levels when you have active users assigned to them, as it may affect the tasks displayed in their portal. Now that we know how to create and edit levels, let's get to the purpose of them, which is mapping tasks to these levels. You'll notice next to each level I have here shows the number of tasks I've already assigned to them. If I just hover my mouse over the level, it will display a list of all of the tasks. By clicking into the level, it will take me to a page where I can add and remove tasks, as you can see here. Be sure to save all changes once you are done. Note that this is one of two ways you can map a task to a level. As we'll see in the next section, you can also map a task to a level from the task detail itself. Now that we know how to create levels and manage their related tasks, let's look at how to create and manage the tasks themselves. Back in the left navigation, click Manage Tasks. This page shows us all of the existing tasks created so far. You can do a quick search by clicking this drop-down, or you can type in the task you're looking for directly. Let's create a new task and walk through the details. To create a new one, click Add New Task. Now, we simply fill in the fields for our task. We add a task name or title, the type of the task it's going to be, such as a text field, drop-down, or file upload, for example. Then the date we want the task to be due. Select Level is where you assign which level you want this task to be mapped to. Again, this can also be managed from the Levels section as well. Select Users, however, takes the assignment one step further and allows you to assign a task to a specific user instead of a whole group of users or level. This is essentially where you can create exceptions to levels and tasks. Finally, we have the task description here. At the top of each task detail, you'll notice three icons. This one here allows you to duplicate or create a copy of a task, much like you can do for levels. And the X is to delete the task. The gear icon, however, is an advanced section. Here you have the option to lock this task when a user completes it for the first time, or lock it when the due date is passed. So if you don't want an exhibitor to edit or replace a logo after they submit one without telling you, or if you want a hard cutoff time for a task, this is where these come in handy. One final note is that there are two specific task types that have an additional advanced option: the file upload and the text area task types. When choosing a filed upload task, you'll have an option to limit the file format to the ones you specify, such as a PNG or EPS file. So if you choose EPS, for example, the user's task will actually prevent them from uploading any other file type. If left blank, users will be able to upload any file type. If choosing a text area task type, you'll have an advanced option to limit the character count in the text field. Like the file upload, If you choose a limit, then your users will not be able to add more text than the specified amount in this task. And that's it. We've now covered how to create tasks, levels, and manage the relationship between the two. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other related videos and walkthroughs on ExpoGenie. Until next time.